Morning, people. YouTube. Welcome back. Half-fast. 719. Got another video. Yeah, today's Thursday. Went to go to our local little yard to do a class, and turns out dude never showed up to do the class, so I updated my laptop. I went to recycling center, Joann's Fabric, to pick up some vinyl. And then good old AutoZone. Oh, I got some foam too. This is what I got. Some foam. It's pretty expensive. It's like 40 bucks for this stupid little roll. But whatever. I got some gray pleather, because I'm going to do the armrests in that gray. And I'm going to paint those gray. So I bought more paint at AutoZone, where the folks go, they don't know. Something like that. And then there's black in there too. Black vinyl right there. Because I think I'm gonna do this gray and this black. So I gotta take this apart, unstaple it all, do whatever I gotta do. Anyway, gotta fix that stuff. So yeah, and then I bought some Duralast scissors, lifetime warranty. So I'm gonna see how good they cut, because I was using my wife's whatchamacallit, I don't know, her scissors, her fabric scissors, which are right here. Shouldn't be right here. They should be somewhere safe. But anyway, guys, yeah, so we went to there's a guy out here locally that has a bunch of Dodge parts, a bunch of first gen parts, a bunch of first gens. So I've been contacting him for a while. Ended up getting a hold of him yesterday morning, told him I wanted to come by, check out all the parts. So we went there. He's got a lot of parts, a lot of trucks. He's got these like old semi-trailers, like, I don't know, 30-foot trailers. Some old wooden, you know, from like the 60s and 70s trailers. Or maybe even older. But anyway, he's got them full of just parts. I'm pretty sure it's all Mopar. He had a Chrysler, like a 62, 63 or something like that, Chrysler 300, which I'd never seen one of those. He had some semi-trucks, Dodge semi-trucks. Anyway, he had some door cards, but they're in worse condition than what we have. The door cards are the door panel things right there. He had them in gray, but they were faded. Looked like they've been sitting in the sun for a long time. So I was gonna buy them, but he wanted 50 bucks a piece. And I told him, I said, if you do 20 bucks a piece, it'll be worth, you know, cleaning them up, repainting them, doing whatever. And he's all, no, I want 50 bucks a piece. And I was like, all right, well then we don't want those. So what we got was, I got another, I guess you'd call this a bezel. Oh man. So I got another bezel, mainly because of these vents. These little vents are in good condition. And that truck, I think one of the vents is broken, like it doesn't move. So, and it came with, if you guys don't know these first gens, but anyway, it came with this piece, which is 4-wheel drive, and then it came with the information center thing. So, he ended up wanting 50 bucks for the whole thing, and I was like, whatever, 50 bucks for that. And then we got plastics, gray plastics, not all of them, but most of them, and we got gray. And they look blue, but they're gray. Sun visors. So I might be throwing those visors in the truck because they're not painted. And trying to think. Oh, the kid got one of these little squirters, windshield washer squirters, because his cowl's missing one. And oh, we got the valance. So we were looking all over, everywhere, and the guy was talking his head off, man. He would not stop talking. Oh, we also got some notes. Anyway, yeah, I was talking his head off, wouldn't stop talking, so we were just standing there. We couldn't find a valance. This piece is the valance, the lower valance. Could not find one, and we were just standing there talking to this guy. And my kid looks over and he goes, "Wait, that truck has one," but it was like completely gutted. So he ended up wanting $40 for that. So I was like, "Well, that's weird. $40 for that, but you want $100 for all this stupid plastic, and $100 for that, and $50 for door cards." But anyway, yeah. So $40, and he's all, "Oh, you guys better have brought tools." I was like, "Yeah, we got tools." And my kid found this fan shroud, because his fan shroud's all busted and broken. And I cannot find these to save my life. So we spent $240 on all those parts. The valance, this piece, the information center, on all that stuff. So well worth it, $240. And yeah, I think we came out on top because, like I said, the one on eBay, it's all bent up, and like where the bolts attach, they're broken, like the metal's flared open. And that guy wants $100 for it plus $68 shipping. So if we were to buy that, $168 plus tax, so $200. So I think we got a good deal. I forget where I was getting at with this video, but anyway. Yeah. I don't know where I was going because my brain is shot. I don't remember. I've been having that lately. Oh, I guess I can go over there and show you what we got going on. So I bought caliper paint. Just some black caliper paint. Oh, yeah, I forgot about these. We ended up getting lights too. Lights, they go, if this was the Dodge grill, it'd be a light there and a light there. So we ended up getting those two. Or also, so these are the calipers. Pretty massive, pretty huge. So you see one's a different color than the other. So this is an OEM Dodge that's not. Got the rotors. So I'm going to paint those. And then I got to drill holes for the mirrors. For the tow mirrors, the semi-truck mirrors. And put those on. So I had the kid help me. He was holding it. So we got all the holes marked. So there. Those two and those two. You can even see them, but anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to hang those today, put those on there. Maybe not. I have to build these seat brackets really bad, and I just really don't want to be outside right now. But yeah. Man, I really wish I knew where I was going with this video, but I can't remember. I might go inside and redo it. It might have just been a video of all that stuff, but anyway, I got to get all this cleared out of here, and start making those the mounts for the seats. So that's probably what I'm going to do. The kid has the brackets on order, rear disc brakes and everything. I contacted Rough Stuff today and was like, hey, what's the deal? You guys said they were going to be ready on the 16th of July. And they gave me the same answer. They said, oh, they should be in this week and we'll ship it out to you. So, but that's what they told me when I ordered them. And then when I contacted them, because I never got an email, they had all my information wrong. Email address, my house address, they had everything wrong. So when I contacted the lady, she straightened it all out. She sent me an email, and the address was even worse than what they had. So, yeah, so that's where I'm at. Emailed them today, and they said that they should have the parts tomorrow and should be shipped out sometime beginning of next week. So hopefully you get those. Hopefully we can get these front brackets and so I can get this thing going. Get this thing, I'll go drive this thing so that we can make sure everything's good. So anyway, guys, that's it. So yeah, $240 for all those parts. I think we scored pretty good. I think I can't remember. I want to say this part is. I'm gonna try to look it up real quick on the eBay while I'm blabbing. But yeah, I think we got pretty good price. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do that. And he's got a ton of parts. We were trying to buy this grill. It said Dodge on it. We have a grill, but it doesn't say Dodge on it because it's reproduction. Anyways, we were trying to buy one. And he's like, oh, I'm making a sleeper truck, blah, blah, blah. So we have the grill, and it's got one broken light. And we need those bezels. But anyway, it just doesn't say Dodge. A lot of them say Dodge right there, the factory original ones. But whatever. I could probably just 3D print the stupid letters that say Dodge and... You're gonna die. Oh, you're gonna die too. Come on, land birds. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to update you on the parts that we found, that we got. And what's my next plan? Yeah. Yes. Alright, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. I don't know why. It seems like every comment that everybody comments, it gets deleted. Somebody commented and said on an old video with my Civic, and they said, what trans do you have automatic? What trans do you have, comma, automatic, question mark? And I'm assuming because he said trans, they deleted the message or the question. So if you guys are watching those videos and you type a question, make sure it's not something that somebody's going to be offended by. So basically just don't even comment. Anyway, because the world's full of a bunch of pansies right now. But alright, guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Later.